Good day, grade 7. For today's video, I'll be going to guide you in answering your activity 3 entitled Reflection. So before you reflect, we need to do such measuring first. So in this example, we need to find out the height of a chair. Gamit ang inyong mga digit, palm, handspan, or cubit. So una, kailangan nating sukatin itong upuan na ito gamit ang ating digit. Ilang digit kaya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the bottom of this chair measures 40 digits. How about palm? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 palms of the height of a chair. How about your handspan? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 handspan. And the last one is your cubit. How many cubits are there? And the height of the chair? 1, 2. There are 2 cubits. Did you get it? Let's have another example. Here, you're going to find out the perimeter of a curtain. So, when we're talking about perimeter, it is the sum of all sides. So, we're going to add all the sides of this curtain. So, the first one that we're going to do is to measure it using our base. Then the next one is foot span, and then the third one is your arm span. So let's begin. The length of a curtain and the width of a curtain. Using your base, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our estimated base are 10 bases. How about your foot span? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 foot span. And the last one is arm span. How many arm span are there in a curtain? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our estimated arm span is 4. Did you get it? So let's proceed to the reflection. Compare your answers in which or in one of your classmates and answer the following questions. So the question number 1 is, did you experience any difficulty when you were doing the actual measuring? Nahirapan ba kayo nung kayo ay nagsukat gamit ang inyong mga kamay at paa? Were there differences in your data and your classmates' data? Why? May pagkakaiba ba kayo ng data ng classmates mo? Ano kayang dahilan? Question number 2. Were the differences as big as the differences when you used a non-standard units of measure? May pagkakaiba? Malaki ba ang pagkakaiba nyo ng inyong kaklase? Nung sinukat kaya niya gamit ang kanyang mga kamay at paa, malaki kaya ang pinagkaiba ng sukat niya sa sukat mo? Number 3. What do you think caused those differences? Ano sa palagay ninyo? Bakit kaya kayo magkaiba? So you need to write it on your paper. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you!